everyone, I am Vanessa with Gator Metal Roofing, and I am out here today in beautiful Asheboro, North Carolina, standing outside of Heat Shield Metal Roofing Systems, an exclusive manufacturer for Gator Metal Roofing. We make our roofs 100% in the Carolinas, and we're going to go inside to see how your metal roof is made. All right, everyone, I am standing here with the one and only Alex, and I'm really excited to meet Alex because we've been talking on the phone almost every day for about a month, and I finally get to put a face to the voice. Nice, always love that. All right, Alex, tell the people who you are.
How you doing, guys? My name is Alex. I run Heat Shield Metal Roofing Systems, an exclusive company just for Gator Metal Roofing. We do the panels, we do the trim, we do deliveries. We do it all.
Why was it so important that we did this arm of the company where we manufacture our own roofs?
Great, that's a great question. So we are trying to eliminate the middleman. So we want to keep all this manufacturing in-house so we can produce a great product for our customers.
Why is it important that we eliminate the middleman? What does that do for the customer?
We get a great price for all of our customers because now we are the manufacturing company.
And the quality too.
Of course.
You get
we
to
never
oversee.
underestimate the quality. We hold our metal at a high standard and we produce good quality work. And we are producing non-stop. Delivery trucks on the road. You guys, if you see the truck, honk your horn, say hi, wave. Give us a call. We'll be doing your next roof if it's you.
Tell me about your deliveries. You meet so many people when you go on all these deliveries. What are their reactions and interactions with you when you're out there on the road?
Yes, it's a great feeling. Once we get to their home, they understand metal is getting delivered. They're getting a new roof installed the next day or that day. So it's all around a great experience. We love talking and greeting and meeting customers. Every day I'm talking to somebody, and it makes my day go a lot better.
And tell me, why do you think, well, not why do you think, why do you know that metal is the actual way to go? Because you could have gone into shingles. Why did you decide to go into metal?
Yes. So obviously, guys, you guys know asphalt is a very, very toxic. It goes to the dump and it sits there. Metal is able to sit on the top of your roof for 50 plus years, if not a lifetime, and it's recyclable.
So tell us a little bit about the relationship that you have with the installers. Do you have a relationship with the installers?
Yes, I'm speaking with installers every day, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Because installing is such a big part of what we do here, right? So tell us about how great our installers are, and for those that might be hesitant with getting a metal roof because they have that question of, is this going to be installed properly on their mind? What can we say to them?
Absolutely. So here at Gator Metal Roofing, we have an SOP, which is a standard operating procedure. That means all of our installers are going by our guidelines of installation. So we have a proper installation of your metal roofs. So this is Mr. George. George is my right-hand guy. He's got about 20 years in the metal business.
Wow, 20 years in,
Yeah.
lots of experience.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do here, George?
Basically, I'll prep the panels, I'll band it up properly so that we can then load it on the truck and gather the rest of the material as well, the sealants and the butyl tape, and the enclosures also are included.
So 20 years in the business,
Yes.
how have you seen metal roofs evolved in the 20 years?
Well, the paint systems have evolved, definitely. The paint is a much far superior product than previously. The paint didn't last as long on the roof, over the years. But today the Kynar paint holds up a lot better. It's a little bit softer material, but it holds up a lot better.
What do you have to say to anyone, being that you're a 20-year veteran in the business, that's hesitant about possibly getting a metal roof? What can you say to give them that confidence?
Yeah, metal roof is ideal for any home or commercial building as well. I suggest metal over shingles.
In your 20 years, have you always worked with metal, or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically with metal. I've actually done some shingle roofs, but Metal's basically where I've been, you know, past 20 years or so. Yep.
And you can say it's far more superior than
Oh
shingles?
yeah, I would say, yeah. You're gonna get a much longer lifespan out of metal panels than you will a asphalt shingle roof.
Yeah, and with that paint technology up in it's leveling up,
Yes.
then you don't really have anything to worry about.
No, right, yeah. I mean, last year, you know, 50, I mean, it could go as long as 100 years. I mean, you see these older buildings that still have metal on them, you know, and I mean, it might be rusted and, you know, discolored, but they've probably been there for, you know, well over 70, 80 years.
Yeah, I've seen quite a few, and I'm like, they just need to switch that out to this, and then they're good to go.
Yeah, and this would probably last you, I mean, easy 70 years, you know?
Yeah.
Probably better, probably 100 years, you know, easily.
Send it over on to your grandkids.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, so this is the crew here, well, part of the crew here at Gator Metal Roofing. So that was a peek into how your Gator metal roof is made, and also meeting some really cool people that work with our company. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you choose. Until next time, I'm Vanessa. See you soon.